Experiencing issues with the Optus app, such as it not working or getting stuck on the loading screen, is a common frustration. These problems generally stem from three key issues: accumulated cache, outdated app versions, or login difficulties. The Optus app, like many others, stores temporary data cached to improve performance, but over time, this cache can become corrupted or excessive, leading to loading issues. An outdated app version may lack necessary bug fixes or compatibility with your phone's operating system. Finally, login problems can arise from expired sessions, incorrect credentials, or issues with multi-factor authentication. Understanding these core reasons is the first step toward fixing the problem. Let's troubleshoot common Optus app issues. First, try clearing the app's cache. Go to your phone's settings, find the Apps section, select the Optus app, and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary data that might be causing loading problems. If clearing cache doesn't work, check for app updates in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. An outdated version can cause compatibility issues and prevent the app from loading properly. Next, ensure your login details are correct. Double-check your username and password, as incorrect credentials can lead to authentication failures and stuck loading screens. If you're still stuck, force stop the app through your device settings, then restart your device. This can resolve temporary glitches and refresh the app's connection. As a last resort, reinstall the app by uninstalling it and downloading it again from the App Store. This ensures you have the latest version without corrupted data. Looking ahead, Optus is implementing AI-powered diagnostics and predictive error handling, such as automatically clearing cache when issues are detected, to make troubleshooting easier in the future.